Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Pregnancy pillow, benefits, types, and how to use. Regular mattresses are not adjustable to the needs of a pregnant woman and can lead to body aches and uncomfortable sleep. A pregnancy pillow can be helpful here. A pregnancy pillow is designed to support the changing contours and curves of the body during pregnancy and supports for various sleeping positions. Benefits of using a pregnancy pillow. 1. It supports and offers comfort to the back, hips and legs to ensure proper rest, relieving the pain. 2. It offers comfortable sleep sideways, thereby easing up and promoting blood circulation in the body. 3. It allows better sleep for longer hours. 4. It is useful even after the baby's birth and help you put your baby in the right position during breastfeeding. Different types of pregnancy pillows and how to use them. 1. Pregnancy wedge pillow. It is the smallest pregnancy pillow available and is used during or post-pregnancy. It can be placed under the tummy or behind the back to provide the necessary support while sleeping on your stomach or sideways. 2. Full-length pregnancy pillow. It is long and provides a cushion to the entire body. It offers comfort to the arms and legs and supports the tummy. It is designed to hug and cuddle, and you can wrap your arms and legs around the pillow by placing your belly at the center of the pillow. 3. Total body pregnancy pillows. Ideal for the second trimester, it provides immense support to the spine and helps reduce hip and back pain. You can place your head on the top of the pillow and slide your back into the curve with a C-shaped pillow. The top of a U-shaped pillow can be used to rest the head and slide your body into the pillow, wrapping your legs around one of the sides. How to choose the right pregnancy pillow. 1. Choose a pillow with removable covers as it will allow you to keep the pillow clean and maintain hygiene. 2. Identify the pillow filling as it will impact the comfort and quality of your sleep. 3. Pick the right sized pillow as a bigger pillow will occupy more bed space and will be heavier to lift. 4. It is essential to evaluate the noise and smell of the pillow as they will affect you daily. 5. Avoid soft pillows as they may not provide proper support. Firm pillows are better when it comes to supporting the head and the body. When can you start using a pregnancy pillow? Around 20 weeks of pregnancy is a good time to start using a maternity pillow as the belly expands, causing pain in various body parts. While a pillow might seem insignificant for a pregnant woman, it is an essential accessory that can provide better comfort and support.